On this video today, I'm going to show you a traffic source that gets 98% of its visitors from the United States, which you can use to make $2.31 in every 60 seconds. And the best part is that everything is free. It is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Build, you can join CPA Lead. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and then promote offers on this platform. Once you create your account on CPA Group and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a lot of different offers. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different offers. But these offers are allowed to be promoted to only people who live in the United Kingdom. As I scroll, you can see a lot of them. CPA offers, they are geo-specific. So what you have to do is that you have to promote the offers to countries where they are allowed to be promoted. You can see a whole lot of them. All these offers, they are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United Kingdom. But our traffic source that we are going to be using today, 98% of the visitors are from the United States. So what we have to do is that we have to find offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United States. If you promote any of these offers to people who live in the United States, once they click on your affiliate link, they are not going to see the offers because they do not live in the United Kingdom. So what you have to do is that you have to search for United States so that you can get the right offers that you can promote to people who live in the United States. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see country. Click right here so that you can select the appropriate country that you are looking for. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different countries that you can click on to find offers to promote. There are a lot of different countries that you can click on to find offers to promote. But in this case, we are searching for United States. So what you have to do is that you have to search for United States. So just type United. You can see United States. So click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United States. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see many offers that you can promote. So what you have to do is that you have to select one of them so that you can promote it and then get people who live in the United States to enter their details for you to get paid. You can see this offer right here, enter for 2,500 cash. If you get people who live in the United States to enter their email and zip code to stand a chance of winning 2,500 cash, you are going to be paid $1.09. You can see the next one, enter for 4,500 cash. If you get people who live in the United States to enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning the cash prize, you are going to be earning $1.02. There are many offers that you can promote. You can see the next one, you are going to be earning $2.31. As I scroll down, you can see many offers that you can promote. But one thing that you must consider is that you have to consider the requirements. You can see this offer right here, install and use the Shen app. So your potential visitors have to install and use the Shen app so that you can be paid 55 cents. You can see the next one is also mobile install. Once you get your potential visitors to install the mobile app, you are going to be paid $1.71. There are many of them, but you have to look at the requirement. So this offer, for example, is difficult for you to get people to install the app for you to make money because a lot of people do not want to install mobile apps on their phones which they do not use. So it will be difficult for you to get people to install the app. But the email and zip submit, some people can enter any email that they want. Once they enter the email to stand the chance of winning the cash prize, you are going to be paid. It's very simple as that. They do not need to buy anything. So make sure you always select offers that are easy for your potential visitors to enter the requirements so that you can be paid. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. Enter for 1,000 cash for summer. You can see the payout is $2.31 and the requirement is email and zip submit. So it's very easy for people to enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning 1,000 cash, and I'm going to be paid $2.31 per every lead that I get. Once you have selected the offer, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. To promote the offer, you have to click on it so that you can get the images of the offer. You can also get your affiliate link. So click on the name of the offer. Once you click on it, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see here, this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning. This offer is only allowed in the United States. So you have to promote this offer to people who live in the United States so that they can enter their email and zip code to stand the chance of winning 1,000 cash. Once they enter those details, you are going to be paid. If you want, you can select a tracking domain of your choice. So when you click right here, you can select any tracking domain of your choice that you want. You can see a lot of different tracking domains. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then select it. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of them. Once you select your tracking domain, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in the United States to click on your link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid. There are two ways that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link. You can use the paid method. You can use the free method to drive traffic to your affiliate link. But before you use the paid method, what you have to do is that you have to consider the payout. You can see this offer, the payout is $2.31. So if you use a paid method, sometimes you are not going to be earning profit because the payout is very low. Some websites, the cost per click is very high, so when you buy traffic on those websites, you are not going to be making any profit. What I suggest is that you should use free traffic for offers that have lower payout. So make sure you use the free method so that you can be making money. Once you make the money, you can go back on CPA Grip, select offers with higher payout, and then use the money that you have earned to buy traffic to your affiliate links. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free website that you can use to promote your affiliate link without paying for anything. And the best part is that this traffic source is highly targeted. You are going to be getting people who live in the United States to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is ultracontest.com. On this website, you can submit a giveaway so that you can get people to enter their details to get access to the offer. The best part is that almost 100% of the traffic is coming from the United States. So what we are going to be doing is that we are also going to submit our giveaway on this website so that you can get those people to enter the details for us to make money. You don't need to pay anything to submit a giveaway on this website. What you have to do is that you have to copy your link and then submit your link to the website so that the website can put it in the right category. Once they put your link in the right category, you are going to be getting the right people to click on it and then take action for you to make money. If you want to submit a giveaway, you can either create an account and then submit the giveaway. If you don't want to create an account, you can still submit your giveaway without creating any accounts. All that you need to do is that you have to copy your link, paste it on the website, and then enter your email. Once you enter the email, click on submit so that they can receive your submission. Once they receive it, they are going to post it onto the website so that you can be getting leads. To submit a giveaway, just scroll down to the bottom of the website. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, submit a contest. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can submit your giveaway. You can see right here category. When you click on it, you can see you can submit a win house, a win vacation, a win cash prize. You can see cash prize. You can select that. You can select a vehicle and other big prizes. Any of them that you want, you can select. But in this case, our offer is a cash prize, so you are going to click on win. Just select win dollars. Once that is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, you are going to scroll down. You can see message. This is where you are going to write a brief description about the offer. Once you write the description, enter your email address and then submit. I'm going to enter all the details for you to see. In this case, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it here. Paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, you are going to scroll down. You can see message. You have to copy the title of the offer and then a description so that you can paste it right here. So you are going to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you have to paste the description of the offer here. So you have to come back again. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to enter your email address. So enter your email address right here. Once you enter your email address, you are going to click on I'm not a robot. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to submit it. So click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see thank you. We have received your submission. They have received your submission, so it is going to be live on the platform. Once it is live, you're going to get people who will click on your affiliate link, enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning $1,000. Once they enter their details, you are also going to be paid $2.31 on CPA Grip. So make sure you keep on submitting different giveaways on this website. keep on submitting different giveaways so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. Apart from making money with CPM marketing, there is another way that you can use to make money from home. You can create and sell digital products online to make money from home. You can create your own product, price it at any amount that you want, and then sell it. If you want to learn how to create a digital product, just click on this link at the description of this video so that you can get access to my ebook that will show you step by step on how to create and sell digital products. So just click on the link. Once you click on the link, you are going to see the book like this. I've decided to decrease the price for my viewers, so make sure you take action now before I increase it. Again, you can see this is the original price, but I have decreased it to $2.49. This price will not last. Within some time, I'm going to increase it to the original price. So make sure you take action now so that you can be part of those who have the privilege to download it at a cheaper cost. So just click on download now. Once you click on download now, you are going to enter your payment method so that you can get access to the book. That is how best I can help you to make money from home. So make sure you go and take action now so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.